Ladies and gentlemen, this is our Sean Clarach MacDomhnaill evening, and it is a night of music, poetry, heritage. It's what we were brought up and reared with, and we have a nice lecture coming up as well. But to start the ball rolling, we want to welcome everybody. There are people from many walks here. There are singers. We have our man there from the Cork County Council, Conor Nelligan, our heritage officer, so we'll be keeping him on campus as well. We have people from Knockfearna, we have relations of Murphys, we have historians. We won't say any more now, but we hope that everybody will be relaxed and enjoy the evening. Start the ball rolling with a slow air from Nora here, please. Leave them on air and just have to beat that for a melody and everything else. Now, we're waiting for one or two people there on their way, but we want to get Willie Rilhan to sing a song. Willie, often we'll be hearing him on the radio and place, he's a native of Churchtown, and he'll sing a song for us and we'll start the ball rolling in earnest. Great link here tonight. We have some of the Murphy family. They're part of Sean Clarach's people, and we'll be talking to them later, and Dennis Hickey has done a lot of research on those. So, Willie, your own song, your own choice.
In Newry town I was bred and born, in Stephen's Green now I lie in scorn. I served me time at the saddler's trade, and I always was a roving blade. At 17 I took a wife, and I loved her dearer than I love my life. And for to keep her both fine and gay, I went a-robbing on the King's Highway. I never robbed any poor man yet, nor any tradesman caused I to fret. But I robbed lords and their ladies fine, and I carried their gold home to my heart's delight. To Covent Garden I took my way, with my dear wife, for to see the play. Lord Fielding's men, they did me pursue, and taken was I by that cursed crew. My father cried, my darling son. My wife, she cried, I am undone. My mother tore her white locks and cried that in the cradle I should have died. When I am dead, I and for my grave a flashy funeral pray let me have. 6 highwaymen for to carry me, give them broadswords and sweet liberty. 6 pretty fair maids to bear my pall, give them white ribbons and green garlands all. When I am dead, they can speak the truth. He was a wild and a wicked youth. In Newry town I was bred and born, in Stephen's Green now I lie in scorn. I served me time at the saddler's trade, and I always was a roving blade.